When you browse the web, your data travels between your browser and a server. HTTPS makes sure that data is shared and private, just like sending a letter in a sealed envelope. HTTPS adds security to regular HTTP by encrypting the data. This keeps your personal information safe from hackers. You shall notice a lock icon in your browser when it's active. HTTPS uses SSL or TLS certificates to encrypt your data. It's like scanning a message so only the sender and receiver can understand it. Without HTTPS, information like password or card numbers can be intercepted. It also helps your site rank better in search engines and gives users peace of mind.